eating. Good. Like close up on Happy. So let me just. Okay, Happy's eating right now. You guys really didn't want to see that, did you? Happy. He's too busy eating, but this is part 31 of my. Well, I don't know how long this series will go for. Hopefully 100, but if I want to, it could go for 200. I'm not sure. Okay, Happy. Guys,